Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this look here. This is beautiful for Valentine's Day. I'm using some new stuff today, so I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's get started. First, I'm going to use this beautiful palette from Lunar Beauty. This is by Manny MUA. I follow him on YouTube. I really like this palette so much. I got it a few months ago and I'm using it just today. I'm going to take that first shade, which is a very light pink color. I'm going to set that concealer in place. You can use an eyeshadow primer, but I just use a concealer. It's easier for me. And I'm using this big fluffy brush from Morphe. Next, I'm going to use that beautiful pink color. This shows up more on my eyelids, so I'm going to use it as my transitioning shade. And this is going all over my lid. I'm not precise with this shade at all. And I really love these brushes from Morphe. Next, I'm going to use that beautiful soft plummy shade, and I'm just going to concentrate this on the outer corner. And I'm going to drag it out. As you can see, this will give you that elongated eye look or a lifted eye look. I'm going to use that deep plum color. I'm just going to put this one in the outer corner as I'm doing a wing liner. This is going to be more of a smoky wing eyeliner. Really love this look. This will give you that elongated eye look, as I said, and it looks softer than having an eyeliner. It looks messy at the beginning, but trust me, it will look really nice. And I'm taking that shade again, and I'm just going to apply it as I'm doing right now, just in the inner corner of my eyes. And I'm going to go back to that big fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna blend it just to make it more soft. Next, I'm gonna use that beautiful metallic pinky shade, and I'm just gonna apply it in the middle of my eyelids. And I'm just gonna go back with that brush just to kind of clean up my mess and just make sure that the matte shades are still, clean and more precise. Next, I'm going to use this foundation from Makeup by Mario. This is my first time using it in this video. I got it a long time ago, but I never had a chance to use it on camera. I got my shade in neutral, number 8, I believe. And I have to say, this foundation has a beautiful luminous finish. It's so beautiful on the skin. I wear it all day. I exercise as well that day. It just looked stunning all day long. The coverage, I would say it's a high medium coverage, almost full coverage to me. It sits very nicely. It's not heavy at all, and I really enjoyed it. You need less than a pump. The one pump was too much for me, so next time I'm gonna use half a pump or a little bit less than a pump. But as you can see, the finish is so beautiful and luminous, and I really like it. I don't see the shimmers on my face at all, so I'm not sure if I go maybe a different lighting, but I did not see it at all because I did go out that day and it was very sunny, so I'm not sure. I don't have any new concealer. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer. I'm not going to conceal anywhere else. I'm just gonna do it the under eyes and a little bit on the nose because I wanted to test out that foundation that day. Next, I'm going to use this sculpting bronzing powder from Makeup by Mario, and I'm just going to bronze my cheeks, my nose, and my forehead as well. A little contouring here. Next, I'm going to set everything in place. So this foundation, as I said, it's a luminous finish, so I wanted it to be more set. So I applied some powder. This is the One Size translucent setting powder. So I went very lightly with a brush to set the rest of the face. Face looks stunning. I really enjoyed everything that I used on my face in this video. This foundation is so beautiful. I have 2 new blushes, the Dior one in the pink shade and the Too Faced, which are new launches from them. This is in the shade Golden Hour. I'm going to use one on each side. So I'm going to start off with the Too Faced one on my left. So pretty. It has that pink color with the pinch of peach. It's so pretty. I really liked it. I'm going back and get more shades. It looks stunning on my face. I don't know what the difference is between this and the Dior one, so I'm cleaning my brush and I'm gonna go and dip into the pink from Dior, and I'm gonna apply it on my right side. I'll tell the difference in the pans, but in person and on camera, I don't know if you can see, the Dior one is a little bit more on the matte side, plus it's a little bit more pink. The Golden Hour from Too Faced, it has a little bit more of a sheen to it. Not much, but it's a little bit more. I'm going to take this beautiful Ofra highlighter. This is the Rodeo Drive. I really like it. It's very, very highlighty. I love it so much. I'm going to go back to the palette and I'm just going to pick up that white metallic shade and I'm just going to highlight my inner corner. And I'm going to take that beautiful plummy pinky color and I'm just going to smoke out the lower lash line. And off camera, I actually did put a nude liner in my waterline. And I'm taking that pink metallic one that I used on my lid and I'm just going to apply it on my lower lash line as well, just for a pop of color. It looks stunning. I don't know, it doesn't really show on camera, but it looked stunning in person. Some mascara on my lower lashes and I'm just going to brush my extensions so I'm not applying any lashes or mascara on them. Lastly, I'm going to do my lips. This is Whatever Walnut from Makeup Forever. This is my absolute favorite lip liner at the moment. And I'm going to go with the Dior. This is the Rouge Dior Forever in the shade 525. This is absolutely stunning color. You can just apply this one and you're all set. But because I like the glossy finish, I'm going with the YSL. I'm not sure about the name of this lipstick, but this is in the shade 59. It's one of the high shine glosses. It stains your lips as well, so I really like it. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and happy Valentine's Day to all of you.